In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a cinematic 3D landmark artwork using Nano. We'll start right from the browser. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This just gives us a clean slate and makes it easy to find the exact tool we're looking for. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. You should see the official Google Gemini result near the top. Go ahead and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, use your standard Google account. Having an active session helps the creative tools load properly. Once you're in Gemini, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this is what activates Nano, the image generation experience we'll use to build our cinematic 3D concept. Give the page a second to load the canvas and controls. Next, select the plus icon to upload a reference image. A good reference can be anything that guides style or structure. Maybe a city skyline, a texture you love, or a color palette. Make sure it's clear, high resolution, and that you have the right to use it. The reference won't replace your prompt, it just helps the system understand the vibe you're aiming for. Now it's time to write the prompt that drives the artwork. You can paste this exactly, or tailor it to your taste. Create a hyper-realistic 3D artwork of giant block letters spelling Italy. Each letter should be a detailed 3D structure filled with iconic Italian landmarks from all governorates. To make it cinematic, consider adding descriptive touches like dramatic lighting, golden hour atmosphere, volumetric fog, subtle depth of field, and filmic color grading. You can also hint at materials, polished stone, aged bronze, or concrete, and suggest a camera angle like low-angle wide lens to make the letters feel monumental. The more specific your language, the closer the result will match your vision. With your reference uploaded and your prompt in place, click Submit. The system will think for a moment while it composes the scene, integrates your reference, and renders a cohesive 3D look. If the first output isn't perfect, small prompt refinements, such as clarifying lighting, materials, or the prominence of certain landmarks, can dramatically improve the result while staying true to your original direction. That's it. You've navigated to Google Gemini, activated Nano with the Create Image button, provided a guiding reference, crafted a focused cinematic prompt, and submitted it to generate your 3D landmark artwork. Follow these steps whenever you want to produce bold, narrative-rich visuals that look like they came straight from a film set.